All right. I have 4 steps. They're dimensional analysis steps. So you will need to reference your dimensional analysis notes and practice them before you do your 4 steps. When you're given a stoichiometry problem, it means they're going to tell you you have a certain quantity, and then they're going to ask you how much of another quantity you're going to make. So 4 steps. G, W, U, K, mole, W, U, K, mole, W, U, W, and G, W, U, W. My crazy acronyms. Okay, what does it mean? What's a G mean? Lowercase g? Grams. What's a mole? The quantity. Yeah, it's a mole. It's a quantity. So my 4 steps tell you that if you're given grams of some unknown, you can convert it to moles of what you know, to moles of what you're trying to figure out, to grams in 4 steps. There is no stoichiometry problem that you can't figure out following 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Give me a second here before you start panicking. To convert from grams to mole, how would one go about doing that? 1 mole equals my mass in grams. What mass? The atomic mass. So if I'm converting from, let's say that what I know, they tell me 12 eggs. I have to convert eggs to moles of eggs. That's what this means. Grams of eggs, because that's what I know, to moles of eggs. And the way I convert from gram to mole is using the molar mass. I could say atomic mass, but I want to keep consistency with the words. We're going to say molar mass. If I want to convert from here, the opposite, moles to grams, can I use the molar mass to go from moles to grams? That's correct. And we're going to practice this in 1 second. This step right here is the part that confuses students the most. This is called the molar relationship. So let's put Allison's example. Sodium metal plus chlorine gas yields 2 moles of sodium chloride. Here's our balanced equation. This step right here is the step in stoichiometry that requires you to look at your recipe. I have 12 eggs. I only need 2 eggs to make 1 cake. How did you know you only needed 2 eggs? You looked at your recipe. So this is the part right here that students struggle with. To go from mole to mole, you have to use your recipe.